Yes, welcome to our channel. Today we discuss about adjectives, degrees of comparison. Basically, degree of comparison in adjective basically three types. First, word is base form, which is without any comparison. Any case is used. Base form is used for without any comparison. No any comparison is done. Okay. Second is comparison between two or three. Okay. Comparison between two or three. That is comparative. And third last is supermost comparative. Supermost यानी कि in present time maximum number of people at that time we compare. Just like we class, village, and so many things we can use the comparison we done. Study the following sentences. Mohan's mango is sweet. Okay. There is no comparison in the sweet word, properly normal sweet word. Hari's mango is sweeter than Mohan's. Okay. In this sentence, the comparison is done with one other things, one other mangoes. Which mango? Hari mango and Mohan mango's comparison, and Hari's mango is sweeter, Mohan's mango is less sweeter. Okay. Syam's mango is sweetest of all. There, Syam is the third man, and the Syam's mango is the sweetest of all of the both of all persons. Okay. We thus see that adjectives change the form sweet, sweeter, sweetest to show comparison. They are called the degrees of comparison. Okay. Sweet, sweeter, and sweetest is the comparison, and that comparison is called yeah, degrees of comparison. The adjective sweet is said to be in positive degree. The adjective sweeter is said to be in the comparative degree. The adjective sweetest is that said to be in the superlative degree. The positive degree of an adjective is the adjective is its simple form. It is used to denote the mere existence of some quality of what we speak about. It is used when no comparison is made as. Okay. Positive degree as an adjective is the adjective. Its simple form. Positive degree is क्या है? Simple form. It is used to denote mere existence some quality of what we speak about. हम जिसके बारे में बात करते हैं कुछ क्वालिटी रखते हैं उसमें क्या होते हैं पॉजिटिव डिग्री. इट इज़ यूज्ड व्हेन नो कंपेरिजन इज मेड. यह तब प्रयोग किया जाता है जब जिसमें कोई भी कंपेरिजन न किए जाए तो देन वहाँ पे क्या होते हैं पॉजिटिव डिग्री होती हैं. कंपेरेटिव डिग्री. The comparative degree of an adjective denotes the higher degree of the quality that than positive. यानी पॉजिटिव से थोड़ी सी हाइयर डिग्री होती है. एंड इज यूज्ड व्हेन टू थिंग्स. जब ये दो वस्तुओं के लिए प्रयोग किए जाते हैं और कंपेयर्ड एज इन दो वस्तुओं के कंपैरिजन हो. भरत इज ओल्डर देन लक्ष्मण. शीला इज क्लेवरर देन मैरी. नेक्स्ट वन. The superlative degree of an adjective denotes the highest degree of quality and is when more than two things or sets of things are compared as. When comparison is done more than two or and the maximum numbers of things, that is called superlative degree. Ram is the oldest man of the three. Riya is the cleverest of all the girls. There we use the before the superlative degree, oldest and cleverest before we use the. Note the following things very carefully. The comparative degree is generally followed by the conjunction then, as the population of Kolkata is greater than that of Delhi. Mahi is stronger than Mahak. Nisa is more beautiful than Lisa. But it can also be used without then, as Shalini is the cleverer of the two girls. The watermelon is too large. Have you a smaller one? The rich man has seen worse days. The superlative degree is preceded by the and followed by of us. Raju is the wisest of all the boys. Mr. Sharma is the oldest of all his colleagues. But we can say Sheila is the best girl in the class, not a best girl. We insert the. PT Usha is the fastest runner, not PT Usha a fastest runner. Formation of comparative and superlative. All kinds of adjective do not have three different forms. These different forms in fact indicate different degrees of quality or quantity. Therefore, only adjectives of quality and quantity can have three different forms. Most adjective of one syllable and some of more than one from the comparative by adding er and the superlative by adding est of the positive. Okay, that is bold in positive. In comparative we use bolder. In superlative, boldest. Small in positive, smaller comparative, smallest superlative. Clever, cleverer, cleverest, and so on. Strong, stronger, and strongest. High, higher, and highest. Tall, taller, and tallest. And ends in a single consonant preceded by a short vowel. This consonant is double before adding er or est to form of the comparative and the superlative. That's positive, comparative, and superlative. Big, bigger, and biggest. Sad, sadder, and saddest. Fat, fatter, and fattest. Thin, thinner, and thinnest. Hot, hotter, and hottest. Wet, wetter, and wettest. If the positive ends in y and y is preceded by a consonant and y is changed into I and er and est are added to form the comparative and the superlative. Yeah. Positive, comparative and superlative. Dry, drier, driest. Pretty, prettier, prettiest. Easy, easier, easiest. Lovely, lovelier, loveliest. Happy, happier, happiest. Merry, merrier, merriest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Wealthy, wealthier, wealthiest. But if the y is preceded by the vowel and y is not changed into I before adding er or est. Positive, comparative, superlative. Gay, gayer, gayest. Grey, grayer, and greyest. Adjectives of more than two syllable and many of those with two form of the comparative by using the adverb more with the positive and the superlative by using the adverb most with the positive. We use some words we use more and most to change comparative and सुपरलेटिव. कुछ शब्दों को सुपरलेटिव और कंपैरेटिव में चेंज करते हुए मोर एंड मोस्ट का ऐड करते हैं. सो ब्यूटीफुल, मोर ब्यूटीफुल एंड मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल. बोरिंग, मोर बोरिंग, मोस्ट बोरिंग. केयरफुल, मोर केयरफुल, मोस्ट केयरफुल. courageous, more courageous, most courageous. Difficult, more difficult and most difficult. Intelligent, more intelligent and most intelligent. Learned, more learned and most learned. Pleasant, more pleasant and most pleasant. Splendid, more splendid, most splendid. Surprised, more surprised and most surprised. Irregular comparison. Some adjectives are compared irregularly, that is, their comparative and superlative are not formed from the positive. Positive, comparative, and superlative. Bad, worse, worst. Far, farther, farthest. Far, it is for this is the two use of far. First is distance, and second is movement. Far, movement, further, furthest. Far distance, farther, farthest. For, farmer, foremost. Good, better, best. Late, later, latest. Little, less, least. Much more, most. Many more, most. Old, older, oldest. Old, elder, eldest. Note: form enclosed the parentheses are not used of adjective, they are adverbs. Okay. The use of adjectives. The words superior, inferior, senior, junior, prior, anterior, posterior are always used at comparative degree, but they are followed by to instead of than as. This cloth is superior to that. He is 10 years senior to me. डबल कंपरेटिव्स एंड डबल सुपरलेटिव्स शुड नॉट बी यूज्ड, यानी कभी भी डबल कंपरेटिव या डबल सुपरलेटिव एक साथ यूज नहीं होते. ही इज मोर क्लेवरर देन हिज ब्रदर. इनकरेक्ट. ही इज क्लेवरर देन हिज ब्रदर. ही इज Most cleverest of all girls. She is the cleverest of all girls. Remember that if an adjective follow the phrase one of, यानी कोई भी एडजेक्टिव वन ऑफ फ्रेज को फॉलो करता है, इट शुड बी इन सुपरलेटिव डिग्री, वो हमेशा सुपरलेटिव डिग्री में होना चाहिए. ही इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट बॉयज इन आवर स्कूल. शी इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल गर्ल्स ऑफ आवर कॉलोनी. When two persons or things are unequal, so comparative should be used, not superlative. Unequal. This plan is better than that, not best. The girl is more, not most intelligent of the two. When two persons or things of the same kinds or quality are to be compared, we should use as plus positive degree plus as or no not plus comparative degree plus than. This girl is as intelligent as that. The girl is not more intelligent than that. This girl is no less intelligent than that. When one thing is compared with every other of the same kind, take care of to use any other after an adjective in the positive or the comparative degree. Nisha is as intelligent as any other girls in the class. P.T. Nehru was more popular than any other leader of his time, but other most not be used after a superlative degree. He was the best of all other leaders. Incorrect. So correct is he was the best of all leaders. When one things is to be compared with all other things ऑफ द सेम क्लास, जब क्या एक थिंग्स जो होती है कंपेयर की जाती है दूसरी अदर थिंग्स से सेम क्लास यानी एक ही टाइप की, द सुपरलेटिव डिग्री इज यूज्ड, यानी क्यों तो वहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा सुपरलेटिव डिग्री, यानी कि जब ऑल अदर थिंग्स यानी उस टाइप की पूरी चीज़ों के एक साथ कंपेयर किया जा रहा है. दिस प्लान इज द बेस्ट ऑफ ऑल, यानी ये प्लान जो है इन सब में सबसे बेस्ट है. शी इज़ द मोस्ट इंटेलिजेंट गर्ल इन आवर क्लास, ये हमारे क्लास की सबसे इंटेलिजेंट यानी बुद्धिमान लड़की है. बट द इज़ नॉट यूज्ड इन द फॉलोइंग केसेस, इन केस में द का प्रयोग नहीं करते. व्हेन द सुपरलेटिव डिग्री हैज़ अ पॉसेसिव एडजेक्टिव बिफोर इट एज, जब भी कभी भी क्या है पॉसेसिव एडजेक्टिव के साथ साथ थर्ड सुपरलेटिव डिग्री यूज किए जाए वहाँ पे द का यूज नहीं होता. शी वॉज माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड, इट वॉज हिज ड्राइस्ट एक्ट. When the superlative degree is used with a noun for a sake of address, as O kindest soul, how I pine without you. O dearest son, when will you come back again? The superlative degree must not be used as if it were equal to very plus positive degree. He wrote a best book. Incorrect. He wrote a very good book. If the first of two or more adjectives in is a superlative, the others should also be superlative. He is one of the best and popular teachers of our school. He is one of the best and most popular teachers of our school. The superlative with most is sometimes used where there is no idea of comparison but merely a desire to indirect indicate the possessive position of a quality in a very high degree edge. This is most unfortunate. It was the most eloquent speech. A very common error is the following type. The population of Kolkata is greater than Mumbai. We should say the population of Kolkata is greater than that of Mumbai. Note the comparison in between the population of Kolkata and the population of Mumbai. Preferable has a force of comparative and is followed by two. We must not say more preferable. Health is more preferable to wealth. Incorrect. Health is preferable to wealth. Okay. There is no comparison in the use with use of more. We should always say two, the first three, etc. यानी कि we the following expression are meaningless. First two first, the two first and the three first etc. are the meaningless. The following adjectives are not compared at all since they represent the higher degree. Perfect, unique, complete, ideal, universal, entire, chief, extreme. We should not say Mr. Gupta is my chiefest enemy. We should say Mr. Gupta is my chief enemy. Okay. We should not say this was the most unique plan. What we should say this was a unique plan. This and that are followed by singular nouns. These and those are followed by plural nouns. Mistakes are often made by using these and those with singular nouns. I did not like this kind of people. We should use this instead of these. I don't like those sort of people. We should use that instead of those. Verbal oral. Verbal is used in the sense of by word of mouth, a verbal message. Oral is used in the sense of not written and oral examination. Verbal is used in conversation without teaching, without test, just like conversation. Oral is used in the sense of examination. Miscellaneous examples of some common errors in the use of adjectives, that is, correct and incorrect. He is my greatest enemy. He is my greatest enemy. Iron is more useful than any metal. Iron is more beautiful than any other metal. Knowledge is more preferable than riches. Knowledge is preferable to riches. He was the laziest of all other boys. He was the laziest of all boys, or he was lazier than all other boys. Solomon was the wisest of all other emperors. Solomon was the wisest of all emperors, or Solomon was wiser than all other emperors. My pen is superior than yours. My pen is superior to yours. This pair of shoes is inferior than that. This pair of shoes is inferior to that. Kolkata is one of the biggest city of India. Kolkata is the one of the biggest cities of India. The population of Kolkata is greater than any town in India. The population of Kolkata is greater than that of any town in India. He is a worst student. He is a very bad student. She wrote a best essay. She wrote a very good essay. Oh, the dearest one, when shall we see you again? Oh, dearest one, when shall we see you again? He is the cleverer than the two. He is the cleverer of the two. The streets of Chandigarh are wider than Delhi. The streets of Chandigarh are wider than those of Delhi. This is the completest book on mathematics. This is a complete book on mathematics. I am senior than him in service. I am senior to him in service. This girl is no less cleverer than that. This girl is no less cleverer than that. This route is the most shortest of all. This route is the shortest of all. This cloth is more cheaper than that. This cloth is much cheaper than that. Nitesh is the abler to these four sons. Nitesh is the ablest of his four sons. Which is the best of the two? Which is the better of the two? This is one of the best and powerful telescopes that I have. This is one of the best and most powerful telescopes that I have. She is cleverer than any girls in the class. She is cleverer than any other girls in the class. She is as clever as any girl in the class. She is as clever as any other girl in the class. I have read the two first chapters of the book. I have read the first two chapters of the book. I do not like these kind of books. I do not like this.